how to delete Twitch account on iPhone or Android. So first thing first, let's open the Twitch app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen. So now you can see there is profile icon at the bottom right corner of this home page. So just tap on that profile icon, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see there is settings option at the top left corner of this profile page. So just tap on that settings icon, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see there is lots of option in here. So just select the account one, and once you tap on the account option, you will be able to see there is two options in here. First one is disable account, and another one is permanently delete account. So we need to tap on the permanently delete account, and once you tap on it, you can also give a reason, or you can also confirm straight to the delete account option. Yeah, and you will be able to delete your Twitch account successfully. So basically this is how, and this will be the process to delete Twitch account on iPhone and Android. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.